Are you trying to change your job? Or you are struggling with the AI prompts where you are not getting the expected output? So these two things can be done with only a single thing, and that thing is system design. So the system design is very crucial for nowadays. And to tackle these issues, I'm giving you one very good lecture series on system design. Actually, it is only for the beginners, but still, I will recommend for everyone to watch it because we are going to enhance our skill into that level where you can give your interview to any product based company or any company which you are thinking of right now. So, what are the things which inspired me to learn system design in a completely new way? So, the current challenge is the existing codes are boring. They skip the essential basics and they leave the core concepts completely disconnected from the real world application. Actually, they are very focused on teaching you the technology or the data which is already written inside the book or some web page, but you are not able to connect that technology to the implementation. That thing I will tackle. So it is the solution, my course. So I will ask you, or I will request you to watch one or two video of this course, and you will understand like what is the system design. And not only that, with this course I will give you the system design questions as well, which will be asked inside the interview. So in this way you are going to learn actual implementation, the concepts, and the question and answer as well. So, what are we are going to cover in this particular series? So, it is the system design for beginners. So, I divided this series into three modules. One is the foundation, second is the architecture and data, and third is the communication and real time. So, what is the foundation? So, it is a very historical question, not historical question. It is a very crucial question. What happens when you type google.com? Actually, it will show you the complete flow, what is happening at the back end, how your data is going from your local system to that web server where the application is running. We are going to take the reference of google.com, but it will be it will be implemented to all the application which you are using in nowadays. Then we are going to cover this, how data reach to server, and these all things like I have seven lectures in the foundation where I will give you the first we will discuss the what happens when you type google.com. Then we will relate these all seven lectures with that first lecture. So at the end, at the seventh step, you will understand, okay, so these many technologies are used behind this simple technique. Then we are going for the architecture and data. That's the basic, like what protocols are, how these uh, handshakes are happening. But what is at the server side, how this application are designed in a way that it can handle 100 user, 1 million user, billion user. So this thing we will see in the architecture and data. Still, it is for the beginner. From the beginner means this course is relevant for all the freshers, for all the engineers who are working like from last 3 years. But still, there are so many things which I believe that so many people don't know. So I will recommend everyone to watch it because it is the foundation. And the third thing is communication in real time. So after getting like what are the components at the server side, how the data is reaching to the web application, there we need to learn few more things like what kind of data, like how we can design our data to reach to that server. So this thing will be implemented, or I will teach you in this third module. So it is a power packed around 17 lectures course, and it is completely for you. So I will recommend you to watch the next video, the first one, and then we will start our journey for all the other parts where we will go and deep dive, learn all the things. So the first part is completely story based, and I also designed this complete uh, lecture in a ways that if you do not want to watch the screen, if you are driving, if you are walking, if you are running, you can just simply listen it and I will explain you in a podcast way. So okay, all the best, and we will see you on the next lecture. Thank you.